So here we go, part 3 of the restoration of this original pair of 1985 Air Jordan 1s in the neutral gray colorway. So in the last couple videos you've seen, we had the donor sole removed and we have the uppers removed from the old midsole. We also put the padding into the collar here so it's not stiff and crunchy anymore. So what we're going to need to do, and I should note real quick that the original pair of Air Jordans that we're restoring are a size 12. I'll try to show you the collar in there real quick. It's a size 12, but the midsole that I used is an 11.5. So the uppers for the original 12, midsole, outsole 11.5. Now I did one restoration on a pair of 85 black and reds that there was a little bit of space between the uppers and the sole on that pair because I used the exact same size, so I had a 10.5 and a 10.5. The 10.5 outsole was a little bit too big, so I took a chance, and that's why I used an 11.5, and it turns out that they worked perfectly for my purposes on this pair. So we're gonna get into fitting these for the outsole. Now I'm going to show you what I did and then we're going to kind of get into it. I'm going to stop talking and like actually start doing stuff. So if you fit the shoe in, the toe and everything is fine up until you get back to this back part of the heel, and you'll see right there when I'm pushing pretty hard, you have about a ½ inch gap between where that old line was and where it should be lining up to the new sole. The reason for that is I kind of showed you a little bit last time. It's going to be a little hard to show you, but right here is the old heel counter, or the original heel counter I should say, and it's like this hard kind of plastic. Now this heel counter, because they make the shoes differently nowadays, does not match up with what we're trying to do in terms of putting it onto this new sole. So what I have to do is I'm going to take these and just kind of trim down that old counter until it matches up with what we need here. And then we're going to start like cleaning up both of these and then getting ready to glue them. So let's see how far we get in this video, and yeah, let's have some fun. So that's gonna be it for me, guys, today. I got some stuff to do, but we got the heel lined up as well as we can. As you can see, I'll put this together. You can see where the heel is gonna be going all the way around. It's gonna sit flush there with that line now, which is awesome. So the next video you see, we'll be cleaning this up with a Dremel a little bit. We're gonna clean this up a little bit better too. We're gonna kind of glue these, the upper flaps down a little bit before we glue our uppers to our midsole. And that's gonna be it. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Hit the like button and everything. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying these videos, the series of this shoe. So it takes a long time. If I didn't have a full-time job and, you know, a wife and kids, like, these would probably come out a little bit quicker, but I have all those things. You know, it is what it is. So please be patient with me. You'll see the rest of these in a little while. So Christmas is coming up. Merry Christmas to everybody. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.